Salam and good day everyone. So we continue with the PostScript. PostScript is a method of describing an image in terms of mathematical construct. PostScript characters are scalable and can be drawn much faster and have two types, font, which are type 3 and type 1. Okay. For true type, is a system of scalable outline fonts and can draw characters at low resolution. For OpenType, Adobe and Microsoft developed OpenType and it incorporates the best features of PostScript and the TrueType. PostScript, TrueType, and OpenType outline fonts allow text to be drawn at any size without jaggies, and anti-aliasing text and graphic create smooth boundary between the colors. What is the jaggies? Jaggies are the jagged edges you see when a bitmap image is resized. This is the example. Anti-aliasing is a technique that can be used to eliminate jagged edges. So, for character set share symbol of each character set unify into collection of symbols called script, and mapping across platform. Fonts and characters are not cross-platform compatible, so they must be mapped to the other machine using the font substitution. So we see what the example of the font editing and design tools. First one would be Font Lab Ltd. To create attractive text, and this is the example of the Fontographer. Graphic editor for font editing, and it is compatible with both Macintosh and Windows platform. Can be used to develop PostScript, TrueType, and OpenType fonts, and can also modify existing typefaces and incorporate PostScript artwork. So this is the example of the Fontographer. So for hypertext system, defined as the organized cross-linking of words, images, and other web elements. So we're using hypertext system for information management and hypertext program to present electronic text, images, and other elements in a database fashion. For typical methods for searching in hypermedia system would be categorical search, word relationship, agency, alternates, association, negation, truncation, intermediate words, frequency. So, for hypermedia structures, there are four, which are links, nodes, anchors, navigating hypermedia structures. So, what is links? Links are connection between conceptual elements and also the navigation pathways and menus. This is the example of the link. Short for hyperlink is an HTML object that allows you to jump to a new location when you click or tap it. And links can be attached to text, images, or other HTML elements. So continue with the nodes. Nodes are accessible topics, documents, messages, and content elements. Nodes and links form the backbone of a knowledge access system. So, everything in a HTML document, we call it as a node. This is the example. All of this, we call it as a node. That one, node. Okay, continue with the anchors. An anchor is defined as the reference from one document to another document, image, sound, or file on the web. Okay. Okay. So, the source node linked to the anchor is referred to as link anchor. In HTML, an anchor begins with A and ends with /A as shown in the breakdown of an HTML tag. Okay. Okay, so this is the example code. Okay. We use anchor that links to the computer hub with the anchor being computer hub. Okay, that one is the anchor. Okay, when inserted into a web page, the code would generate the example below. So, the output would be computer hub. And then you click it to go to the next page. Okay. The simplest way to navigate hypermedia structures is via buttons. Okay, and location markers must be provided to make navigation user-friendly. Okay, for Hypertext Tools, two functions common to most hypermedia text management systems are building and reading. For the functions of builder are to create the links, identify the nodes, generating an index of words, and hypertext systems are used for electronic publishing and reference works, technical documentation, educational courseware, interactive kiosks, and last one would be electronic catalogs. So this is the example of hypertext system. Okay. The left side would be the tools for you to choose which tools that you want. And then the right one would be the size of the brushes. Okay. And the bottom would be the colors for you to pick to draw with the brush shape. Okay. So, at the end of this topic, okay, you should know text is one of the most important elements of multimedia, and standard document format used for web pages, we call it as HTML, stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and hypertext system enables the user to navigate through text in a non-linear way. Okay, that's all for today. For part 2 of the chapter 2 about text, and we will be back soon for next session on chapter 3. Thank you very much.